Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. So today we're going to talk about perimeter and area of different shape. Okay, so let me write the subject of today's session here. Maybe white. Cool. Perfect. So again, the subject is the perimeter and the area of a different shape. So we're going to basically talk about the definition, and we're going to examine triangle, circle, square, and rectangle for this session, and we're going to talk about their perimeter and area, so both of them. I'm gonna start with actually square. I think I missed a square, but yeah, we're going to start with square. So we know that in any square, this side, let's say this side is A. We don't care what is A, but if this is a square, if this side is A, then all of them are equal and all of them are equal to A. Perfect. So the perimeter is basically the addition of all sides. So if we start from here, the perimeter would be equal to A plus A plus A plus A, and that's it. So basically if we add the length of the sides, like all of them, we can calculate the perimeter. So again, the perimeter here is equal to A plus A plus A plus A, and it's not only for a square, basically for any shape, the perimeter is equal to the addition of the all surrounding sides. Even if you have maybe a weird shape like this, again, the perimeter is the addition of these sides. So if you add the length of all of these sides, you could easily find the perimeter. So that's the definition of perimeter, and we already have calculated the perimeter of square. The next basically the next thing is to calculate the area of the square. Alright, so the area is actually equal to, I'm going to remove this arrows maybe. Perfect. So the area is equal to basically this side over here multiplied by this side over here. So if this side is A and the other one is also A, the area is equal to A times A. Again, we don't care what is A, it could be any number, we just have to replace A with the actual number. Imagine that we have a square like this, and this time this side is 2. If this is 2, since this is a square, this is 2, 2, 2. So in this case, perimeter, or let's just use P, is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 8, and area is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. Perfect. So now this is basically everything about not only perimeter and area, also perimeter and area of this square. Well done. We're also going to cover a few more shapes, as I mentioned at the beginning of the session. So the next one is actually maybe rectangle, something like this. So in any rectangle, if this side is A, then this side is also A, because they're all basically the width and length are equal. So if this is A, this is A, this is B, this is B either. Cool. The perimeter of the rectangle is basically, again, it doesn't matter what shape you have to add the length of the sides. So a plus b plus a plus b. The area, exactly like square, so we multiply this side by this side, a times b. Perfect. Imagine that we have a rectangle like this. This is 4, this is 2. If this side is 4, then the side in front is also 4. If that side is 2, the side in front is also 2. Cool. The perimeter is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, if you add everything, then we had 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. And the area is 4 times 2, which is 8 again. Alright, perfect. Let's move on with our next shape, which is triangle. So in any triangle, we call this our base. We call this the height or h, and let's call these sides maybe A and C. Perfect. The perimeter again is equal to A plus B plus C, or the addition of the sides again. The area in this case is a bit different. So area of triangle is equal to our base, this value right here, basically the length of this side, this one, times our h, or height, divided by 2. So for triangle, for the perimeter doesn't matter, we just add the length of the sides. For area, we have to follow this formula. Perfect. The last shape we're going to study today is actually the circle. Maybe, yeah, something like that. So imagine that we have a circle. This is the center of the circle, and we call this radius, or r. Amazing. Now, the perimeter of this circle, so all the perimeter of this circle is indeed the size of the surrounding part, but we have to follow this formula for this circle because it's really hard to calculate. It's like the compared to the previous shapes, this one is a bit harder, so we use 2 times pi times r. What is pi? Pi is a famous mathematical constant, which is equal to 3.14. Also, the actual number is much bigger, but this is just an approximation. Or probably sometimes you can just use 3. Perfect. For the area of the circle is equal to pi again times r times r. Perfect. Now imagine that we have another circle, maybe like that. I'm going to change the color of this one. Perfect. Let's say we have another circle like this. This is the center of the circle. This is the r radius. This time, let's say r is equal to 2. So the perimeter again is 2 times pi times r. Let's say pi is almost equal to 3. So the perimeter is equal to 2 times 3, and r is 2. So like this, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2, 12. Lastly, the area of this circle is equal to pi times r times r. Okay, pi is 3. If you want to be more precise, use the actual value here, like 3.14, but in this case, just to simplify everything, I use 3. So again, the area is pi, which is 3 times r2, times r again is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So only for this case, apparently we have the same perimeter and area. That is not something abnormal that can happen. Alright, perfect. So in today's video, I'll just try to define the meaning of perimeter and area, and also make you guys familiar with the perimeter and area of circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. In the next videos, I'll try to cover more basically mathematical shapes. And please let me know in the comments what other mathematic subjects you want me to teach you guys, and I will do my best to cover basically all the mathematics subjects. So in the first series of video, I'll try to make some playlists for grade maybe 5 to 12, and after that I'll try to prepare university level mathematics playlists. So I'll got you guys back, and yeah, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you again, have a very nice day, and take care.